What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrench Avengers. Hey, I know you all getting tired of working on the C10, so instead, today, got something new. Aaron's C30. It's a 1986 C30, dually 454, and we're here to de-countryfy it. Let's get into it. Okay, first running board off, a bunch more to go. I know that we kind of live in the south here, but this truck's a little too south for us. Okay, so got all of the country boy stuff taken off of this this truck. Looks a lot better now. Even though I know all it is Aaron just trying to be exactly like me. All he ever does is buys the exact same vehicles that I buy. I buy a white Honda Civic, and what's he do? He goes and buys a white Honda Civic. I buy an 86 square body Chevy. He buys an 86 square body Chevy. Both with a 454. Well, I don't know why he does it. He probably just wants to be me. But that's okay. The truck looks a lot better without the running boards or the bull guard and bed rails and all that. Looks pretty clean, and next up is lower it and give it some power. It's going to happen. Whatever Aaron says, it's still going to happen. So, alright. Guys, if you like the video, give this one a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, thanks.